Hello everyone. 27 power square root of x is equal to 9. What is the value of x? So 27 is equal to 3 power 3 bracket power square root of x is equal to 9. 9 is equal to 3 power 2. Easy. We know that a power n bracket power m is equal to a power n times m. So this equal to 3 power 3 times square root of x is equal to 3 power 2. On comparing, so 3 square root of x is equal to 2 square root of x is equal to 2 over 3. So square root of x bracket power 2 is equal to 2 over 3 bracket power 2. We simplify this and this. So x is equal to 2 squared is equal to 4. 4 over 9. X is equal to 4 over 9. This solution, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.